What's up, guys? It's Parker. We're in Jeff's restaurant. Hey guys. We got the crew together. And a lot of people were outside staring at my car, so whose idea was it? Maybe Baby's idea, because he comes up with genius ideas to throw a GoPro out on the window right over there to film some reactions. Then we're gonna go for a drive, check out an Ann Arbor car meet. As you can see, I ate a lot. I'm really going on a diet here, Porker.
Yeah, you can afford this cake.
Well, they're like a racing team, so they always have all kind of different cars, like Corvettes and all.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So they have, I think.
We got two different colors.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a nice one. Very nice.
I'll take one of those.
My buddy just bought one. I don't think that fit. I don't fit in the quarterback. I know that.
I don't know if Shaq can fit in that tiny ass little car.
Shaq does travel.
They probably like custom fit that.
What for they said? Where's my coffee? That shit good. Look at the bag.
Leaving Jeff's restaurant. Got the GoPro set up right here.
Protect our civil liberties.
Oh,
Whoa, look at this set of wheels, eh?
Oh man,
Try to
Yo,
flex
those
on the
are
Lambo.
22s, dude.
The 22s? Got them on my freaking hydraulics, bro.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Got the Honda Civic with the spinners.
Oh, man. Can I hop in the back of the Lamborghini Gallardo?
When Baby sees his fortune, you will own a GTR.
It is not your character to give up. That's true. I'm not giving up, dude. I'm getting a freaking GTR, let me tell you.
Going for a drive on one of my favorite roads in Michigan, here on River Drive. None of these guys have been on it before, so it'll be cool to see what they think. Got 5,300 miles on this guy. I bought the Huracan with 3,100 miles, so I put over 2,000 miles on it in the short time I've owned it because it's just so damn fun. I can't stop driving it. We're stopped because Alan got lost. We got the Mustang squad, and then an E63, and the Huracan. Goodyear tires probably like, what the hell is going on?
Yeah. Who the jiggy nigga with the gold links? Got me reminiscing about my old days.
Roundabouts are fun, except not when there's traffic. Road is so pretty. Only problem with this road is there's literally only one passing zone in the entire damn thing. how you activate launch control, which is mandatory at all stops. Use the mode selector on the bottom of the steering wheel to put it in Corsa. Turn traction control off. Then you wait for all the cars that are staring at you. Wait for that one to go. And then you do a 0 to 30 mile an hour launch. Because never brake speed limit stops, because braking the speed limit is bad. What'd you think of that road?
I loved it. It was beautiful.
What'd you think of the road?
Very nice. It's a very nice road.
What was your favorite part?
The one with the curves and the bends and the curves. The curves and the bends.
And you were able to do that in your car?
No, it's almost went into a tree.
Look, max speed 15 miles per hour.
Sorry, I just take this back. This thing's a piece.
Yeah. Oh, POS.
Yeah,
Piece
POS.
Special.
Yeah. I see what
Ferrari.
you did there.
All right, we're gonna fill her up with some diesel. That's what it takes. Headed to a car meet. Found a one-way bridge. Check this out. This would be a good film spot. Although, if someone comes the other direction, it would instantly be a terrible film spot. Going to a local Ann Arbor car meet. Haven't been in a while. I don't think the kids who I'm with have ever been. So. Should be a good time. Finally arrived at the car meet in the park. Let's check some of these things out. We got Jeff's ridiculous highlighter yellow Z06, awesome Audi R8 V10 with a questionable German flag wrap. ATS-V, reviewed one just like this. My car, and then this absolutely awesome Miata Corvette hybrid with an LS motor in it. That is freaking ridiculous. Look at the interior, this is awesome. I bet this thing's quick. Got Marcou's Mustang. Some more Miatas. E63 from the head-to-head. Up there is a right-hand drive Corolla. Pretty cool. This absolute asshole parked in a handicapped spot. And he's not handicapped.
Oh, hey, bro. Do you know I look like Edward Cullen, bro?
Hey Nick, is this a handicap spot?
Maybe.
335, still one of the coolest cars for the money. Can tune them for cheap, make them a lot faster. So Nick got out of his car because this train has been going for so long. We can't really move. Everyone's out of their car now. How long is this freaking train?
We're gonna do a Chinese fire drill. We all move separate cars, okay? I'll take this one.
Nah. Yeah.
Is it done? No.
Oh, it's done. Go.
We're free.
We are free. All right, you gotta be kidding me. So we're trying to get to Meister, and now the train is back in front of us again.
Back and better than ever.
No! There's no other way. We have to go this way. Like, it's the same train. There's no way we can get around it.
This damn train has been nothing but a pain in my ass. Hell no, I'm not dealing with no more trains today. Sorted.
Watch this. Reverse right here.
Ah, can't even pick it up. There we go.
One freaking handed, bitch. Jeff is here.
What the fuck's the store here in Ann Arbor called Maschine?
On today's review of the Meister shopping cart, we do the parking area seat handling test. Excellent. Oh, it exhibits a little bit of understeer. It actually, what is she say?
Whoa! That thing must have any sauce.
Call me out? I saw anyone on YouTube in a liquor aisle. How fast have we done this? 9.6 seconds down the Meister liquor aisle. 3, 2, 1, go! Well, Alan gets a penalty for running over my girlfriend. Point of view action.
What are the 5 things you hate about it?
Charge every night, all night. All night. Dude, excuse me. Haha, I was just kidding. Now I'm beating you. Let me win. Wait, what? It's been determined that his cart is significantly faster. Yes. No, what the hell?
Turbo. Watch out. Watch out. Be careful.
Quickly, what are the best things and worst things about this vehicle now that you spent a day with
there's
it?
ample storage space. That's a good thing. Horsepower is really lacking. However, it's all electric, so it's good for the environment. And this one in particular is terrible compared to Alan's because it's slower even though he weighs more. Boom, roasted.
So it's basically a Prius.
Yes. This is exactly like Eddie's car.